All right. Well, it was Christmas time. I figured, what the heck, I need something to take up all this extra time I seem to have. Not really. But the best thing to take up extra time was buying a 3D printer. So, this is the Anycubic Mega Zero version 2.0. Unboxing it. So I'll start with unboxing, and then I'll make another one when I build it. Let's see what this has got. Big reveal. Alright, seems like I bought a lot of styrofoam, but that's good. That's good packaging. Both recyclable. Alright, so what does this look like when we take the cover off? Well, we have our assembly instructions. Not a whole lot of them. But I don't think there's too much assembly in this particular device. And here I imagine is, all little ancillary pieces. So I have a scraper, the filament, some cables, a couple of screws, and I think all the tools I'm going to need. And here we have the rest of the screws that I need to put this together. There's not too many, so that's good. Okay, filament, reel holder, power cord. This is the control box. Let's take a power supply first. So as you can see, the power supply that I got, I can't read that, but it looks a bit. Okay, reasonably nice. They put a little top on it so that it's all sort of enclosed, semi okay. I think I might like something a little more rugged for enclosing of the wiring like that. Play Tetris a little bit. Okay, so the XY section sorry, the Z section. I'm going to keep that on there for a second. Just keeps the head from moving. There we go. And the XY section down here. With a magnetic base. Alright. So that's how she comes. What's included in the box. Now I have to put it together.